Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to transfer photos from an iPhone to Windows 11 or Windows 10. We'll cover using MobiKin Assistant for iOS, and also some other simple methods. Let's get started. Part 1. Transferring photos using MobiKin Assistant for iOS. MobiKin Assistant for iOS is a powerful tool designed to manage and transfer iPhone data effortlessly. Download MobiKin Assistant for iOS, follow the installation prompts, and launch the software. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone. The software will recognize a dot in the interface. Click on the Photos option, select the photos you want to transfer, click the Export, choose the Save path, and click OK. Part 2. Other transfer methods. Using File Explorer, connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Open File Explorer, find Apple iPhone, and go to the DSIM folder. Select and copy the desired photos to your computer. Using iCloud, ensure iCloud Photo Sync is enabled on your iPhone. Go to the iCloud website on your computer and log in with your Apple ID. Download the photos you need to your computer. Here are a few ways to transfer photos from an iPhone to Windows 11 10s. I hope this video helps.